Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to Mont Park, is it?
Yep,
Yeah.
Benidorm Mont Park, something like that.
Going up to have a look at it. Cardiff Hill, as it's locally known. I don't know if that's the proper name for it, is it, Marcus? Yeah. McDonald's open there, just for takeaway at the moment.
They also do delivery, I believe.
Do they over there? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can order your Mackies out there.
You can order a Big Mac and some McNuggets from the comfort of your home.
So we're going to go up this cardiac hill. If it doesn't kill us, we're going to find the Mont Park. Subway on the corner there. The pharmacist. And the one bar. It's like everything else is shut at the moment. Should be very glad when I haven't got to say that anymore. There's the one we're after, the Mont Park. Not a massive hotel. I should imagine they've still got some rooms in there. Quite a few rooms. Let's go and have a look what we can see. Got good undercover parking.
I don't think that's for the hotel.
You don't?
No.
Okay, that's probably not for the hotel then. There you go. The Marcus could have been right there. Don't know where the pool is.
Pool's quite a lot.
I reckon the pool's on this bit.
Huh?
Okay, we're going up and have a look. See if we can find the pool. On there, Marcus. If you've ever stopped here, guys, let us know. You know what it was like. Obviously done up for Valentine's Day now.
I think it's up the script, isn't it?
Have a look in a minute, Marcus. So they're all done up for their €500. That is really not going to do much to a place like this. Okay guys. Yeah, it's just Mont Park, Marcus. Yeah, can you see this side?
Capito Ubinabi Daja Los Experimentos. I think it's meaning not dogs are allowed to.
Don't let your dog way up the wall.
Number 2.
Number 1, I think that was, Marcus. Right, we'll go and see if Marcus is right now and see if it's up here, the pool.
On all right spot.
Yes, he is. Okay, we'll have a look in a minute. There's the pool looking clean. Not the pool.
Not in it.
There you go, guys. It's pool. Water in it.
So?
Yeah. Okay, that's the mountain park for you. Get a view from the top here. Wouldn't recommend this for anybody with walking difficulties or I think this will be their undercover parking then, is it? I'm not sure. No, we're going to get a view. We're not going to get the pool in from here. Well, you like the video, guys? Give you some idea what it looks like. This is up a bit of an hill, as I said. I'll show you down the hill. If you've got a wheelchair or anything, might be better to find one of the ones lower down. Don't know about charging for mobility scooters. You can't really tell at the moment. Nobody being in the hotels. Let's see how we got to come up. Okay guys, like and subscribe as normal and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.